Welcome in, you trader nerds. How are y'all? Welcome in. Never trade alone. Trade together with your local nerds. That is us. And the market is down 1%. And I love seeing this because we need up and down action. Because if we all go straight up, ladies and gentlemen, that is not good. So, wow, AD is negative 400. Man, get away with that, dog. For God's sake. Don't tell me to shut up in front of my friends. VIX is up today, which is going to be hurting our net lick, but that's fine. No big deal. We just kind of keep things good. And I can barely see what the volume is because my cat is on my desk. So I apologize. Boo is on my desk. So anyway, just another day in paradise. Let's see what our big green monster looks like today. Big Green Monster says, Obi, hey, we are over. Well, now, this is a bearish tent here. We are overbought for the fair value zone below. But will we go down there? I'm not sure. You know, really, at this point, we hadn't spent enough time here to make sure that we're here. So, I still think we're probably going to fill these gaps and head back up to here. But, if we stay here long enough, then this becomes more and more of a target. So we'll see. And then we kind of verify what's going on with our linear regression chart. We're kind of at the lower end there. We would think that we would at least find a little bit of support here on the 50 moving average, 50-day moving average. So we'll see. If it breaks past there, we could really fall. So we'll see, though. But I think that our bull market is still intact. I think everything's just doing as it should, and it's good. We want to see ups and we want to see downs. We want to see ups and we want to see downs. All right. So yesterday we did the Tasty Trade account and the Crimson account. Let's do the IRAs today. You want to? So let's say our IRAs doing today. We know that VIX being up and the market being down, it's going to hurt our net lick a little bit. So we are 86,367. 86,367. 86. Boo, you're gonna have to move. I can't see anything. 86,367. 86,367. So we're down what, $700 or so? Okay, not bad. 8.5. No, not today. It's not 8.5 days. 8.823. And let's do our Greeks and ratios. This is an IRA account. Remember that. So our Greeks and ratios, we are at 185, 108. Wow, that's a bunch of deltas. 185, 108. 185, 108. Okay, and our VIX is at 17 now. So buying power usage is 25,703. How's everybody doing? 25,703. So we're at 30% buying power. We're right where we need to be. Maximum of 30. We are under 0.20, so we're good there. But our deltas are a little long, y'all, a little long. And it says that they're long by 55. Now, if that were to freak you out, you could certainly sell one micro, and that would get you negative 50 deltas. So you'd only be needing an extra 5 deltas. But I'm not so worried about it. Let's see if our trade tab says anything needs to be managed or taken out. Any auto close signals or anything that needs to be closed out? No, not at all. So what you could do is if those deltas are bothering you, they're not bothering me per se. But if I had something that was at a nice profit, maybe I could take something out. So let's just see what everything's doing here. Our profit and losses here. Yeah, you got something here at 55% profit, and it's down $27 today. But if you wanted to trim off a little bit of deltas, here 5 deltas here, we trim off 5 theta as well. It's not a bad thing to just kind of say, yeah, let's take a winner. Create a closing order. Let's try to get that out at, see if we can get filled 9 1/4. And we are out. So we took out those 39.50s at 9 1/4. 39.50s, here they are, at 9 1/4. See if we get some Applebee's money. Applebee's, how much do we make? So we're out of here on 8.8. And we made a profit of 52% or $101.62.
Well, what do you say we get thrown out of an Applebee's?
That's enough. I could go to Applebee's right now. Applebee's sounds good, don't it, Beth? Yeah, if we didn't have 10,000 things to do today, you're right. We got football practice, we got softball practice, we got gymnastics and band practice all on the same day. Isn't that amazing? Oh, the life of 5 kids. Huh? Yeah, we need 4 more adults in the house. That would be good. All right, so let's see how our little Roth IRA is doing today. So let's go get it, grab it. Don't forget it's T-bill Tuesday. I'm not sure that we will do it together. I've got a doctor's appointment at 1 o'clock, so I'll have to be leaving here shortly. Well, let's just see how our little thing's doing here. Cat, get off my darn screen. Can y'all see this cat? Hold on a second. He's fat as oh, get out. Boo! You monster. You're getting your hair all over my computer. Volume making a feline to the downside. Exactly. Time to cause a ruckus at Applebee's. I have caused quite a few there. So let's see how our little 2030 account's doing here. We are at 27,343. 27,343. Okay, that's not bad at all. 27,343. So we're down $186. Wham, grab me a river. Get off me, cat. All right, so our Gregson ratios here are, and let's take our groups off so we can see our stuff. So we're at 5130. 5130. So I didn't change much at all, has it? 5130. And VIX is at 17. So everything looks really good in this account. Let's see what the buying power is here. 7190. 7190. We are at 26%. So we're just a little bit long, right? Says we need a little bit of short delta. So the question is, am I comfortable with this risk? If you're not comfortable, you must do something. My trading plan says, ask myself, am I comfortable with the risk? And I am. Now, if there was something that I could close for a profit, or if I had an auto close signal, I'd definitely close it. Let's see what we could do here on those 39.50s that we sold for 21.50. Let's see what they are over here. Might just trim a little, right? Just trim just a little. Naked puts. Let's see. 54%. Let's see, make sure that's my top one. Yeah, 54% here. The 30, those are the 4,000s. Yeah, this is the 33. Okay, yeah, let's take the 4,000s off. So create closing order, buy those back at 10. We're gonna try 1025 because we are greedy. And ain't nothing wrong with that. Of course, we normally don't get filled, but every now and then the market gods toss me a bone. So let's close those out at 10 and a quarter or 1050. All right, so let's go put that in our pipe and smoke it. So we close the 4,000s at 1050. Here it is, 1050. And we did that on the 8th. See if we got Applebee's money from that. We held that for 26 days and we got 51% profit. We made $111.62. Yes, indeed. That's how you do it. All right. So you see, even though when the market's down, y'all, we can trim things out. So our Gregson ratios, we were at 51 deltas. Let's see what that did to our deltas. You want to? Let's see what that did to our deltas. 45. Yeah. See, that's how you do it. You go back in, you go 45 deltas. See, you just made a little bit of an adjustment. That's it. This is portfolio management, y'all. I'm fully convinced you can run an account with $2,000. You can run an account with billions of dollars with this simple little spreadsheet that we've got here. If you would like the spreadsheet, you can join our group and go into one of the exclusive groups, the Hello Ladies game.
Hello, ladies.
The Muscadine Mafia, the Ninja Nerds, they all get the spreadsheet. Or you can just buy it in the comments below or the description below of this video. You just buy it outright. All right, so there we are, y'all. Don't forget to buy your T-bills today. Hope everybody has a wonderful, wonderful day. Good seeing all of you here, and I will see all of y'all tomorrow.